Bakit ako? Okay. Let's unbox the most expensive planner. Okay. Ilan nga bang kailangan dito? I know. You need 19 stickers to get this planner. Wow! A nice one. This is rose gold. Oh, wow! So this is 2024 planner from Starbucks. Okay, so let's open this. I'm a little bit shy, but for the sake of vlog, let's do this. Okay, so what do you have here? So ilalagay ganito. So you remove, ganun eh. Ang hirap mag-vlog. So ganito pala siya. Okay, so ano ba yan? Ayun, ganito. Ayun, tapos yun. Okay. So, saan ito lalagay?
Ano po yata? Binder yan.
Wala. So, maybe...
Ito po yung sticker na kamay.
Sticker.
Yung dulo po.
Okay. Ano yun? So, okay. So, yung sticker. So, sticker. So, since ko na siya, okay, so, papalitan natin yan. So, sige. Okay. Oops. So, later na lang natin nilagay itong sticker. For now, let's see. Ito na yun. So, it's 2024. Okay. Wow. Alright, so this is what's in the planner. So let's go for December. So coffee brings us together. Yeah. And it costs us together. Ang mahal eh. Okay. Alright, so this is it. Pansit. So if you want the Starbucks planner, go to Starbucks and collect the stickers.
Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.